Back at it, y'all. Another Malibu, another G-body. 1978. This one here has been ready for paint. And I mean ready for paint. Ain't no dents, no dings, nothing. Ready for paint. Need the interior done and stuff. But what we're doing today is, as you can see, them AC Delcos. Great.
You gonna say something for the camera?
He's the man.
You putting the battery in.
Maybe you should tell him how to put the battery in.
Did you watch my video? Huh? Let me play it for you before you get started. Oh, I'm going about it all wrong already. That's right.
It's on there.
Do positive first.
We're going to get a good connection.
Yeah, it's positive right there.
Unless he must have watched the video.
He's old school. He might have done it a time or two. Yeah. 78 Malibu. Trying to start it up first time in 6 years, 4 years. I don't know. It must have been a couple years.
Tell me 3.
3, 4. We don't know.
Or 6.
We don't know how
it's been a while.
It's been a long time. So the plan today is to start it, and he's going to drive it 37 miles, 40 miles home. We'll see how she does.
So do fine.
See how clean the wheels are, the weld wheels. They got the old school jumper. 355, ain't it? 355, 400 turbo. 400 turbo transmission. I tried to get this car as long as everybody, and along a million others tried to get this car for a long time. He wasn't giving it up. Then he had 2 LS motors provided for him to put in this car, and he just don't want to give it up. So he's gonna stick with the old school, carbureted, 355. Look at her, y'all. She fired up. She fired up. Listen to that, y'all. Like 4 years, I think he said 3 to 4 years ain't ran. Listen to that.
Yeah, you've been pretty healthy, too.
All right, after further review, we had to put a new carburetor on it. We'll go back through it here in a minute and check and see. But right now, he's trying to get it. Uh-oh. We ain't got no transmission, y'all. Buy it for yourself. Don't split it.
Let's see what happens.
Right. Y'all see it. 4 years, man. This thing ain't been moved in 4 years. She's smoky. Ready for the paint too.